Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So, do you have a bunch of fat quarters? Do you want to have some quilty fun? Oh my goodness. I mean, we have holidays upon holidays upon holidays upon holidays coming up. I mean, I couldn't even name them all. I mean, we got one right around the corner, right? So, well, I mean, this is a thing. I'm going to try to come up with maybe a table runner or something out of this, out of fat quarters, because I want to have a bunch of quilty fun, right? So I just wanted to explain why I'm taking the mystery out of my quilting. I had kind of like something happened, and I didn't feel comfortable cutting anymore. And I can't find out if this is AccuQuilt friendly. They wouldn't tell me. And so, I'm sorry, that ship has soul. It's gone, I will honor my commitment to my dealer to do the minimum for the next two after the one in November, which I've already paid for, ironically, with a full kit. But I've decided that I'm going the AccuQuilt route. So I got me a cube, and this is for a 9-inch blocks. And I have probably 20 or so other AccuQuilt dies that a lot of them will work with the measurements for these to make 9-inch, possibly larger, because they're in the same scale. And, I mean, I guess this is the start of my Christmas shopping for myself this year. I liked it, and it was kind of ironic. I asked in the state's quilting um, Facebook group about what dealers local to me had online, so that I could go and select and either have it picked up or them shipped to me or whatever. And I guess my my mystery dealer, raised her hand that she didn't have it online, but she would be able to order anything and honor their discounts, that they currently have going on. And I just thought it was kind of hypocritical or ironic. This one was ironic, that she would raise her hand to try to sell me AccuQuilt when she wouldn't answer a question. So, that ship sailed too. But, I'm just going to go. I mean, who knows what I'm going to go with it and where I'm going to go with it. But I know where I'm not going to go. So I also am a gamer. I play one of the EA games, and I have for, I don't know, 25 years or so since the inception of it. And I've spent a fortune on this game. And, I watch some of the influencers, I guess, and it seems like there's a potential buyout. And it has a bunch of them screaming about, they don't like the new owners and everything, but yet they still keep making the content with the sponsorship of EA. And, I said, it's kind of hypocritical of them to keep pumping out while they're, fundraising and saying maybe you shouldn't play anymore or whatever. And I thought to myself, well, it would be kind of hypocritical of me to leave any of my past videos up where I mentioned it or talked about it, tried to get people to sign up for it or anything else. So I think all of the videos are down now. There may be one or two left. I still have to scrub some other mentions off of different other social medias, but that is happening as well. I'm just disassociating myself. I'm sorry if I told you to give it a try, but like I said, that ship has sailed for me. So I'm looking forward for some new adventures. And if you have like a favorite table runner pattern or something to make with this block and maybe a few other uh, of the dies or something, shoot me a link to the pattern or a video of it or something and let me know. I'm dying to start playing with this thing again. It's been, well, I've owned my Go cutter probably for at least 10 years, if not more, because I haven't bought a die in 10 years probably. Well, maybe one or two, but it's time to use where I've invested some money, and I will keep investing. Oh, and fabric. I love fabric and I buy fabric. I have an extensive collection of fabric, and I'm going to keep buying, but just not there. Talk to y'all later. Bye.